Cessna has secured an order for 2 Cessna 208B Grand Caravan X and 4 T-206H stationary turboprops from Pakistan via the U.S. government. The aircraft will be modified to perform aeromedical evacuation missions. The U.S. Defense Department says in a contract announcement posted last week. Worth $14 million, the aircraft package will be delivered by December. A 24-month sustainment package consisting of spares, tooling and support equipment will be provided for each aircraft, the notice states. Pilot and maintainer training will also be provided for the Pakistan Army personnel. Powered by the Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A140. The Grand Caravan X is Cessna's latest and most powerful model of its high-wing series and is being promoted for civil and military applications. The utility aircraft accommodates 10 to 14 passengers in its normal configuration and has a range of 912 nanometers at 185 knots, 342 kilometers per hour. The lighter stationaire can accommodate 6 people and has a 703 nanometers range. Cessna, part of Textron Aviation, assembles the aircraft in Wichita, Kansas.